Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is your expert, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Ravens by Outdoor Tech. These are true wireless noise canceling earbuds. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out the box, show you what is inside. I also have some swag over here. Remember that they will give you some sticker with every product that you get, so you can show off your friends. And on top of that, I have a cap over here that if you want to pick it up, I'll give you guys a link in the description below, so you guys can actually go ahead and pick one up. They do have different models and designs, so pretty cool. Just check them out. On top of that, I don't know if you have noticed, but my thumbnails recently got an upgrade. So I'll give credit to the person who is helping me with that, and he's very cool. If you guys want to commission him for something, he's like a super master of Photoshop and digital art. So I'll give you guys his Instagram. So if you want to check his art out or commission him for something, you can just reach him out via Instagram. So we're gonna take a quick look-see at the Ravens over here. They do have like a charging case, and they are noise canceling, easy tap controls, dual microphones, and standby time of 200 hours. So that means that they have a huge battery inside those little things. They have a music play time of 8 hours, talk time of 7 hours. So if you're talking or if you're doing Zoom meetings or whatever, remember the microphone will draw a little bit of power as well. So that's why it's less than that. It's also you can talk to your phone with your assistant this way and play one earbud or both. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So just in case if you just want to use the left one or the right one, you can just go ahead and choose and pick one of them. All right, they're also IPX4 water resistant. I'm sorry about the background noise, guys. There's a lot of commotion in my house today. That means that you can also work out with them. They do have that IPX4, which means that they're sweat resistant. They're not water resistant, they're sweat resistant, which is different. So make sure that you don't just drop them in the washing machine or something like that, right? Over here in the back, we have easy tap controls. So the Ravens True Wireless Earbud feature an easy tap interface. They're noise canceling. I will give you guys a little bit of a description if I can find something like, I don't know, like Wikipedia or something. But basically noise canceling is that the unit will pick up the vibrational sounds that are coming out of the other side, and they match them to actually make them zero, right? So if we have one over here, minus one plus one, they make them zero. So that way they are noise canceling. Just in case if you didn't know, I actually recently figured that out. So that's why I'm sharing you that with them. And they have a charging on the go. So that means that they do have a charging case. So you don't actually have to worry about cables or anything like that. You can just go ahead and plug them in, and they will be charging on the go. So I'm gonna take this box out, and ooh la la. All right, so I have a little boxy over here with, okay, so I have the user manual. So take a split second to read that out. I have I don't know, some recommendation letter over here. Read that out. And some swag. So make sure that you check this out before you actually start using them, just to make sure that you learn the controls. Oh, and the sticker actually kind of lines down with the box. That's very cool. All right, now let's take a quick look-see at the unit itself. So I must say, guys, that the box is actually amazing. And I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, this is the unit itself. All right. So guys, these are the Ravens by Outdoor Tech, and I must say that I'm amazed by the box itself. And over here, you guys have the unit. So I must say that it's already powering on. So I must say that the box is actually amazing. Has like a magnetic lock on it, and over here it has a micro USB power cord. Let me search for the power cord first. I have another cool little box of it. Okay, so this one is actually Type C, and on top of that, you also get another set of ear tips. So remember, guys, it's very important for this type of plug-in earbuds that go inside your ear for you to actually choose the right size. Otherwise, they might feel uncomfortable or they might fall off of your ear. So that's why they give you the standard size and a little bit smaller size just in case. The power cord, it's Type C, and it comes in this little cool design of a box over here. I'm just gonna try to put that back. All right, I give up. I'm just gonna put it there. Okay, guys, so these are the Ravens by Outdoor Tech. Their logo, it's actually pretty cool. You open up the unit and you just take them out. All right. And over here, you guys can actually see each one of the earbuds left and right. They automatically go into pairing mode. So all you have to do is go ahead and check your Bluetooth and find the Outdoor Tech Ravens. Once that you finish using them, you don't have to do much. You just put them back in the box. They magnetically go back to their charging spot. So as you guys saw over there, I can just go ahead and just basically put it whatever way I want, and they will actually fall into place and they start charging. At some point, you will have to charge the case, but I will give you a couple of charges as well, right? So that way you don't have to actually carry cables or have to be worried about the unit, or I'm gonna, run out of battery for the meeting or whatever. You can just go ahead and put them into the charging case. They will start charging. Guys, I must say that I'm impressed with this unit. It's actually very small, very comfy. You can just go ahead and slide this into your pocket or your backpack. You don't have to actually be worried about losing them or anything like that. And on top of that, they have this cool charging case. I must say, I already tried them out. The audio quality on them and the easiness that they pair to your phone, right? It's amazing. Once that you take them out, they automatically connect to your phone. So you don't have to do much. They're very easy to use. They do have a great battery. It's basically I'm clocking them out of the first charge. So as soon as I got them, I charged them out and fully charged them, charging case. And as soon as I did that, the first battery set lasted me for about 12 hours. So even though the box says 8, I'm actually go ahead and clocking them at 12 hours right now. So all you have to do is take them out of your ears, put it in the charging case, and you can use them for a little bit longer. So that way you don't really have to worry about that. Guys, I must say that I'm impressed with this unit. I really highly recommend that. Guys, remember, if you're looking for any type of earbuds, check them out. And if you're a first-time consumer, just go ahead and maybe shoot an email to Outdoor Tech. They might have a promo or a discount code for you, so you can actually grab one of these sets and just go ahead and be on the go with the Ravens. Again, guys, as you guys can see over here, they'll just fit inside your ear, and they hold in place by the rest of the unit. Here's where they have the microphone, and these are the touch controls, which are very sensitive, so they're very, very easy to use. Guys, again, I'm pretty amazed by the unit itself. So I don't know, I'm gonna start using them more. I already tested them only once. The sound quality was very good, and on top of that, the microphone quality was also good as well. I was able to do a couple of Zoom meetings with them, and that's basically what I have for you guys. So if you guys like this video, or if you want me to review more products, or if you guys want me to do anything else, I'll strongly recommend you to hit me up in the comments. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and maybe share with your friends. Like, hey, there's a guy just doing videos about, I don't know, stuff that we're probably interested in. So go ahead and check this one out, right, guys? So I really appreciate your support. I will be bringing more products by these companies, and if you guys want me to actually check something out, just don't hesitate to reach me out, and I'll be more than happy to review whatever you guys want me to actually review. It'll take me some time, but I'll go ahead and do the review and unboxing of the unit itself. So guys, hope you guys have a great week. I will see you next Sunday, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.